The impact of artificial intelligence on jobs, a comprehensive analysis. Introduction. Introduce the topic of artificial intelligence, AI, and its rapid advancement in recent years. Highlight the increasing integration of AI in various industries and its potential to disrupt traditional job roles. Automation revolution. Explain how AI is driving automation across industries, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Showcase examples of jobs that have been replaced or augmented by AI, such as repetitive tasks in manufacturing, customer service, and data entry. Job displacement versus job creation. Discuss the fear of job displacement due to AI and automation. Analyze studies and research on the extent of job losses versus new job opportunities created by AI. Highlight industries that have experienced growth and demand for AI-related roles, such as data scientists, AI engineers, and machine learning experts. Transforming skill requirements. Explore how AI is changing the landscape of skill requirements in the job market. Discuss the need for upskilling and reskilling to adapt to the AI-driven economy. Present case studies of individuals or companies successfully transitioning to AI-related roles. AI's role in augmenting human capabilities. Emphasize the positive impact of AI in enhancing human capabilities rather than replacing them. Showcase examples of AI assisting professionals in decision-making, healthcare diagnosis, and creative tasks like content generation. Addressing ethical concerns. Discuss ethical considerations surrounding AI, such as biased algorithms and data privacy. Explain efforts being made to address these concerns and create responsible AI systems. AI and the gig economy. Analyze how AI is shaping the gig economy and the rise of freelancing platforms. Discuss the benefits and challenges for workers and employers in this new landscape. AI in education and learning. Explore AI's role in education, personalized learning, and skill development. Discuss AI-driven platforms and tools that enhance the learning experience. Government and corporate responses. Examine how governments and corporations are responding to the impact of AI on jobs. Highlight policies, initiatives, and programs aimed at addressing job displacement and fostering AI-related opportunities. Preparing for the future. Provide actionable advice for individuals to future-proof their careers in an AI-dominated world. Offer resources and strategies for staying relevant and competitive in the job market. Conclusion. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Emphasize the potential for AI to transform industries and create new job opportunities. Encourage viewers to embrace AI as a tool for progress and prepare for the changing job landscape.